Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna be playing a game of Siege, and so yeah, let's get into it. Oh guys, by the way, let me know what games you guys would like me to play. I'm looking to play some more games. I just don't know what games yet. But I'm also gonna be I don't know. Well, it depends on what you guys want to see. There's one. There's two. Aw, Glass got me. That's okay though. Okay, let's see if we can mark any of them on cams. Sorry if it's laggy for you guys or bad quality, but I'm trying the best I can. Okay, we're gonna see what Doc does here. Hey, okay, so we won. Let's go. We won that game. Or sorry, round. Let's hop into this defending round. And also, guys, if you want to play, just leave your Steam account, and I will be uploading Fortnite videos eventually, like Scammer Get Scammed and stuff like that on Save the World. But yeah, let's hop into this defending run, or sorry, attacking run. Sorry if you can hear like my keyboard; it's a little loud. But like I said, I'm trying to do the best I can. I just started, so it'd be lovely appreciated if you guys would like and subscribe. But it's totally up to you. And sorry if there's a little bit of background noise. I'm sorry, but I'm trying the best I can, like I said. Okay, let's get up here. Okay. Oh, guys, I have a question. What is your guys' favorite thing to do? Like, what's your favorite subject for school? Oh, and what's your favorite operator in Rainbow? Okay, let's go. Guess sorry if I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm just trying to focus. No, it's cash, but yeah. Hey guys, if you wanna have me unlock new operators, just let me know what operators. Okay. Let's see where we get. Okay, kitchen. So it looks like we get kitchen. And crap, I forgot the name of this room. Kitchen, engine room control. Engine control. Put this down. Armor on me. Just let my team know that there was armor. So. Sorry guys if I roam too much, just let me know. That's how I like to play, I like to roam. Watch this, I'm gonna check cams. Okay, let's go get these guys over here. hands. Alright, let's see. Where is he? Okay guys, so apparently we won. His recruit news. Alright. Here's AFK. It's whatever. I mean, I always like winning. Who doesn't? But looks like I ended up with 4 kills, 1 death. Yeah, so I did a pretty decent game. But yeah guys, this is it for this video. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you'd like. Honestly, it'd be much appreciated. But yeah, peace.